At the right time, you'll be shocked how the people will move away from you. How the area boys in it be match about also mbabe pay you man. Basintale, be careful. Is Manchester and Barcelona. Omotiwana. Then say ko be asore nkoko. Ko be asore nkoko.
Exactly.
Oku secure you know whatever. Ewa bra football legends wa ha omo scouting Kronfuɔr ekoma. Eno kura no obi kura players solid players more than your home. Wonya even team kura me for the players.
Settings.
Yes, settings say ye be a porter. We a footballer ko na we. Na kotoko kura betimi be out of players among. Concert near the dorsal. Concert in the dorsal. You know? We
idea about problem. Pa, you full exuberance.
Danny boss, have you know?
You full exuberance in the government. Young people no womb. Enti I say yami enhwe no obi a pese o kire to justify them. Anopa ya ona die Basintale as a wine. Why see you? Or say we have secured 600 jobs from companies. 600 jobs from companies. I'm paraphrasing, but me the better will be 600. We have secured 600 jobs for the youth from companies abroad. So you work for online and be paid $250 a week. You and I say or 30 minutes on the better. Ya wana why a year poster the buyer a training virtual assistant training platforms be training and one more. Not just say akwan entron woody. And yes, you're training for 8 weeks. They are going to train people for 8 weeks. And some opportunity be apply. These are not jobs so wako secure say said you will create impression no some Kronfuɔr we acquire say bongo ideas in the bloggers no e dey atoto one. Just a propaganda ne youth exuberance no emu. It is not going to help you. You see that the truth is that I always say this. No matter what you say, the results is what everything is in the results. No matter your argument, you can have the strongest argument. You can do whatever to win the argument. You can communicate best. But at the end of the day, it's the results. How many people have found jobs? How many people have you created the jobs for? That's the problem. That is what it will come down to. And you kasa, and you kikikikiri, and then you secure 600 jobs from companies. How can you say that you secure 600 jobs from companies abroad? Now within 30 minutes, why you need the abetu was say it's a visual whatever training. 8 weeks. After which you better somebody me in your jobs. How do you use? I said, mo feel say obiya kwala. So I tried. I actually went, follow the process. They can't even create an avenue or baby or how you have to put in your Ghana card, your front and back. Hey, what the front picture number two are any juma? Why? Who are you trying to deceive? You won't deceive anybody. You won't deceive anybody. At the end of the day, if the jobs are not for the young people, no matter how you are flaunting yourself, you are flexing your muscles, you are talking and insulting everybody, creating an impression that you are going to change the trajectory of the country, it will still be. The result is what matters. It is not the razzmatazz, it's not about the stunts, it's not about the gimmicks, the communication. It is the results. And you guys should remain focused. If you are not getting results, then you better shut up. Said the Lance Minister, one who said there is no results. Saying he's out of the public purview now.
You know, I've a better baby no. Man for one, you be beard or more, kill net level. Have a man for new who say settings and a door to change. So just secured 600 slots from companies abroad. And so Kokoya yes, yes, we training. 6 weeks training. So the average fans. Basintale, you are my brother.
Cool.
Any day, anytime, I would like to see you flourish in politics.
Precisely.
Because I know where you are coming from.
Exactly.
And I know where you are going.
Exactly.
You are one of the few people within the political landscape. Men person meka wasem. I know what tria nkwasiafobika emomba bedi matem. I don't care.
Never.
Because my papa and I don't care. I don't need anything from you, Basintale.
So,
But Basintale, I believe that whatever you started doing, if you don't focus, it will come back and bite you.
Precisely.
It looks like concert here with that change, and you haven't come out of the campaign season and the mood of campaign.
Never.
So you still enjoy the social media, na see you and then onya dajene kwabena siama concert challenges and I me CEO of Ghana when you have a burden on you that you are supposed to create jobs. But no concert CEO of a Ghana company. Why you? From December 6 months in and Kronfuɔr once in Tremor and Kronfuɔr musica. And you have the goodwill of the people. Basintale, you have a goodwill of the people. And you are charismatic, you are charming. The people, of course, I know and I saw that in you. That is how come I gave you that platform for you to become what you become today. But I tell you, if you don't stay focused, the people gradually will see through the settings more than the job.
Exactly.
Focus. Create numano. The job will speak for itself.
Exactly. So,
Ejumana obeyano. Enua beka. Sa concert post and your creative platform. We studio, we football abraso. Na platform you creative football is kogusu na football is football. Angagana kaka football abakokra. No. So concert na doso. Ayeye. Basintale, come out of the campaign mood.
Precisely.
Get to work. I know you are capable of doing it. Get to work. Do the real work. Settle in.
Exactly.
You don't need validation on social media for anything.
Never.
When you have done the work and the work is there, the work will speak for itself. It will speak. My brother, this one is coming from a very good place.
Precisely.
Okay, no malice, nothing. Say me from our fenty. I can't even call you and advise you. So hana me be Basintale, be careful. You have a bright future in politics. Be careful. The concert and one here. The anti-Kronfuɔr who goodwill is that they've not tested your leadership before. And this is the first time they are testing your leadership. And when your leadership becomes more of promises than the real work,
Precisely.
they will lose faith in you. At the right time, you'll be shocked how the people will move away from you. How the boys in it be match about